Туда пошел!
Leave now! Leave now! Liars and thugs! Leave! Get out of here! Progress for science! Leave now! Fill the corners on both sides.
Пошел нахуй отсюда! Пошел нахуй! Уроды, ушли отсюда быстро!
You're pathetic! You suck! Stop harassing us!
We can stay here as long as you want.
It's time to go home. You're not wanted here.
Leave now.
Morning a cat, morning a dog. Where's your feelings for a human being? Parasites.
Fear and intimidation. That's what you
If I see my picture on the internet, well, I'm gonna find you.
Hurt our researcher.
I'm gonna find you. That I can guarantee.
Here's a message for you. We're not afraid.
Not
afraid.
Kill kids and
Trivial and meaningless and hateful words.
Morons.
We are not afraid.
And we're not afraid. We're not afraid of you. We're not afraid of your coming here.
We are not afraid.
You are pathetic. You are a terrible person. Fuck you.
Leave now! Leave now! Leave now! Leave now! Leave now!
By the way,
Sucks to be outnumbered, doesn't it?
by the way, Hitler loved elves. He was a vegetarian, like you. Hitler loved vegetarians.
Yes,
Leather shoes, sir? Are those leather shoes?
You go home and put some fresh tofu on the grill.
It will not be a sign of defeat if you just leave. It will be a sign of acknowledgement that there are people who do not agree with you and with your tactics, with your stupid values. Just turn around and march away.
Oh, that's a nice leather purse.
Leather everywhere.
We just sat for 11 minutes and held a minute of silence for every monkey.
Leave now.
Animal activists with now!
Leave now! Leave now!
You have no business being here.
Leave now!
Go away from nonsense.
Leave now! 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 Do you like it? Do you like it? Leave now! Leave now! Leave now!
Leave now.
People need to
Leave now.
doing that.
Leave
People that are in
now.
the street need to get out the street.
Leave now.
Now that it's quiet, we continue our prayer.
Leather purse?
Let go of my sign. You let go of my sign.
Is that another purse?
All right, this prayer is for the 11 monkeys. We just held 11 minutes of
Live now! Live now! Live now!
Behind you is Edith London and David Jens. Let us pray for the monkeys that are future. How about the cows that made your moves?
Do not come back! Take your hate somewhere else! This is an opportunity for you to get something through your heads and understand that this is your chance to atone for the idiocy that you have been brainwashed with.
You hate humans, right? You love animals, but you hate humans. You hate me, don't you? Well, I don't hate you, you know. I think you're just stupid.
You kill humans! You kill humans!
You kill humans.
Get out of the street!
You kill humans. You kill humans. You kill humans. You kill humans.
Pray you don't have to take
kill
any
humans.
medicine.
You kill humans. You kill humans.
Your interest
You
is not
kill
returned.
humans.
Pray you don't
You
get
kill
cancer.
humans.
Every researcher here today, be proud. Every activist today, be ashamed.
Shame on you.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Oh no, you guys are terrorists. I mean, that's what you guys do. You guys firebomb homes, cars.
Next time when you come back, there'll be 100. Put that on your Facebook page. Tell the 18 maybes you had a good time.
Just come back! Just come back!